Hello, this is Rodeline, your licensed financial advisor, and for today's discussion will be the riders for your insurance. Okay? So if you have a questions during my discussion, write it down and contact me on my social media. This is my official Rodeline Financial Advisor. Okay? As you can see sa screen natin. Alright? So let's proceed na po. So with life insurance, you have the choice to add the riders. Yes, you can add it or hindi. Okay? It depends on your preferences and needs. Okay? So riders are supplementary benefit yan to extend and enhance yung insurance coverage nyo. From the word enhance, mas paigtingin natin yung protection ninyo having sold sa insurance ninyo. So simple analogy of this is like putting some toppings on your ice cream. Okay? So as you can see on this image, it's just a simple ice cream. Okay? But when we added some toppings, ayan, iba kasi mas gusto nila may cherry, yung iba kasi gusto nila lagyan ng mga um, sprinkles, ayan, mga sprinkles for them to able enjoy this ice cream. Okay? So, same as goes to this mga motorbikers. Ayan. So, bumili ka ng motor. Usually, ang binibili mo lang is the motor itself. Pero kasi si rider, yung taong sasakay nito, needs also a protection, di ba? So, we add up. Ayan. So, yung helmet, minsan libre, di ba? But it's still, you need have a very good quality of an helmet na importanteng mailagay natin sa head natin because this is the mainly ina-avoid natin magkaroon ng problem or injury. So, other than that, ayan, may elbow, may gloves, may knees, may shoe, proper shoes, and so on and so forth. So, this is an example of an insurance, yung motor mismo. Okay? So, kailangan natin mag-add for adding protection. This is yung mga sinasabi kong gears. Okay? So, what are the riders nga ba? So, riders expand the purpose of your policy. It increases yung areas coverage natin from the minimal amount to premium. Pwede pa natin siyang dagdagan depending on your preference again or the needs you want. Okay? So, insurance policy riders can get you more unexpected events protection sa mga unexpected events like disabilities and mga critical illness. Okay. So, the first rider na tinatawag natin is yung Total Disability Benefit or TDB. A rider that waives your regular premiums. What is the premiums ba? Ano ba yung premium na word? Para pinalitan lang yung salitang fee bayad. Okay? So, ibig sabihin ng waves, si financial insurance company na po ang magpipay nung kulang mo pa in case ma-disabled ang client. Kasi syempre, of course, disabled na hindi na siya makakapag-work. So, basically, wala na siyang capability to do their job and then to earn money for them to pay yung plan. So, automatically, si insurance company na, sasagutin niya na po yun. Okay? So, it will keep your premiums insured and the coverage of your insurance policy. The next one is yung accidental death benefit or yung ADB. So, this is one of important lalo na sa mga nagmumotor, nagda-drive, ayan, mga talagang nag-work outside. Ayan, yung kanilang work nila. So, it gives additional benefit kasi in case of untimely diminish or dying too soon. Ayan, due to accident. So, ito po kasi makakabigay dagdag dun sa life insurance ng client. Okay, mas malaki yung makukuha ng family and beneficiary if the client diminish to the accident. And then accidental, ito naman yung tatawag nating tatlo sa isa. Okay, yung accidental death din, meron kanina yung na-discuss ko na, dismemberment, and ang dinagdag yun nga, dismemberment and disablement. So the good thing about this is that yung untimely diminish, number one, yung discuss ko, yung kanina. Then dismemberment, from the word dismemberment, may naputol, ayan, may makukuha po si client to help him or her na ibalik. It's either ibalik yung naputol, like yung daliri, hililiit, meron yung certain percentage. Ayan, bibigay sa kanya yung amount of cash and then it may use for private or public hospital na pampagamot or pampakabit. Well, it depends kay client niya. Total disability due to the accident, meron din cash na makukuha and so on hanggang sa, ayan, mapakita pa rin na continuous siya or continuously disabled pa rin siya. Total disabled pa rin siya. So, meron siyang makukuhang money. Ayan. So, critical illness benefit or tinatawag nating CIB, writer gives a lump sum naman cash benefit upon diagnose. Pag may na-diagnose na sakit, usually it will cover only the critical lang mismo. The critical illness. Meron tayong minor, meron ding critical, okay? So, makakakuha ka. Probably if you applied an insurance plan and then you put a 1 million for a critical illness benefit and the client was diagnosed for acute heart problem, automatically lump sum ibibigay lahat yung 1 million. Alright? So that will be a very, very great is sa isipan na saan kukuha ng pera. Okay, pang pagamot. And it could be used either kahit anong gusto ni client sa private ba o sa public. Okay, yung hospital income benefit o yung tinatawag natin HIV, it provides a daily cash benefit. Katulad po ng everyday, pag nag-work kayo, pupasok kayo sa trabaho, yun yung ginagawa natin as katumbas pag pinapasok natin yung amount na nilalagay natin dyan. Kasi siya yung kapalit kapag nako-confine kayo, kumbaga, ayan, yun po yung kapalit na amount na daily ang wage nyo po. Ayan. So, HIV provides a daily cash benefit in case of hospitalization. Okay? So, siya po yung magbibigay tulong. Ayan, pinansyal sa pang-araw-araw na naa-admit po kayo. And if you have a question, don't hesitate to ask me. Feel free to clarify some info and questions nga. And then do email me on my official Sun Life official email address and contact number. You may consult for any cases if you are approvable for insurance. Ayan, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. You may contact me here. Okay? Thank you and have a great day. Bye!